Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today we take you to the heart of Wisconsin, where modern minimalism meets Nordic tradition in Sölveig Stay, a stunning shipping container home with its very own Nordic sauna. Designed for both relaxation and sustainability, this beautifully crafted retreat brings the simplicity of container living to a whole new level. Get ready to explore every stunning detail of Sölveig Stay shipping container with Nordic sauna, only on Alvinsa Studio. Storage container converted into sauna and Nordic living space, nestled in the woods half a mile from the sandy south shore of Lake Superior. Our two-person residence and minimalist design were chosen to refocus and refresh its occupants. Set on 80 acres of private land, you will fall in love with the peace and tranquility. Whether you are looking for a romantic couple's getaway, a spa weekend, or a workspace as a digital nomad, Sölveig Stay is designed to spark creativity and relaxation. Sölveig Stay is built out of 40 and 20-foot storage containers set amidst 80 acres just a half mile from Lake Superior. We are located just 30 minutes from Duluth and 75 minutes from Bayfield, Wisconsin. We kept the great sleeping part of being in the woods and only added a few key ingredients. Think king bed, fireplace, full kitchen, fridge freezer, Starlink Wi-Fi, and more. In our opinion, the epitome of a relaxing night in can only be found in one place, the sauna, which means leaving the sauna out of our 480 square foot unit is not an option. The state-of-the-art Nordic sauna is lined with cedar, features a Wi-Fi-enabled Hume stove, and windows that look out onto the beautiful, expansive views. Enjoy a luxurious shower and a cold plunge on our patio in between to maximize your experience. Sölveig Stay is more than just a box to sleep in. It's luxury lodging tucked away in the great outdoors. Come see how much you can experience in a small space. Guests have access to all the buildings as well as trails throughout the forest. There are signs indicating which trails are on the owner's private land and therefore not accessible. Boat access to the Amnicon River is 1/4 mile away, and public beach access on Lake Superior is 1/2 mile away. If you plan on bringing your furry friend, please pay the pet fee prior to your arrival or leave your dog at home. They only allow one dog per stay. Absolutely no dogs are allowed on any of the furniture, including beds, and be sure to pick up after yourself afterward. Being on the land means they have their own well for water. The water is tested annually by the county and is completely safe and healthy to drink, but does have a sulfur smell at times. They have a filtration system to help eliminate the odor, but some days are worse than others. Running warm water for a while can help eliminate the odor. Included are sauna towels and washcloths, bathrobes and slippers and bath towels. You'll also find shampoo, conditioner, and body wash provided. There are limited Traeger pellets and firewood for the kitchen. The kitchen comes equipped with a 2-burner stovetop, a toaster oven, and a refrigerator with a freezer. You'll have dishes, cookware, and knives, as well as a cocktail kit. For coffee lovers, there's Yellow Bite Coffee, a coffee maker, a Chemex, and a French press, plus a coffee grinder. Glasses, wine glasses, and a variety of spices are also included. Sölveig Stay is more than just a home. It's a retreat, blending minimalist container living with the warmth of Nordic tradition. From its thoughtfully designed interiors to its relaxing Nordic sauna, this unique getaway redefines comfort and simplicity. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more inspiring architectural designs from around the world. Stay creative, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring extraordinary spaces.